Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of time. This is day one. We'll see where it goes. But if you're gonna own lightsabers, you should learn to wield them, right?
Just a little tipsy dust.
Going. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Stays in the hand between the thumb and the forefinger. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Down, back. Okay, I get going too fast and I mess up. It is down, around, and back. 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 Day one, okay? Day one. We're going to watch this video overs and overs and over and over and over and over, because that's how you learn, repetition. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. I think I'm getting better at it. It's all in the wrist. I gotta keep it in the wrist.
Some people
Down,
just really know their
back,
stuff.
around.
Like moms, for instance.
Down,
They know
back,
how to make
around. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. Just cut my leg off, by the way. Down, back, around. I learned phonetically. Can you tell? And around. Down, back, around. Down, back, around. It's in the wrist. Keep it in the wrist. Down, back, and around. Down, back, and around. Let's turn the TV off for a second and see if I can get it. Very boring, but I'm going to get there for May 4th next year.
Hey, come back, wherever you are.